that kicking cowboy.
Boy, that's so good. Cabecea, tira. Cabecea, tira. Curveball, boy. Curveball right away. Curveball right away. Now to the body! Now to the body, boy! Remember, clean him up, clean him up! That's back to the jab! That's something called! Work him, work him! Work him! Work him like I told you, boy! Keep doing it! Right there. Eso. Cabecea, tira. Eso, Nico. Uppers, uppers. He keeps dipping down. Curveball good. They're coming in. To the body. Eso. Get on him again. Curveball to the body. To the body. Curveball to the body. On the shoulder. To the shoulder, boy. Chapita. Hey, he's running. Eso, Nico! Just step back, son. When you step back, uppercuts, okay? Come in with the left, downstairs. Followed by the one upstairs. Back to the jab. Good! Again! Work the body more now. Hard! Eso, Nico! Curveball! He's gonna run right into it. He's gonna run right into it. Eso, Nico! Abajo también, clean everything up. You gotta know the corner, now work it. Curveball again. Eso, Nico! Right there, keep it right there. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle, show him that you're here to fight. Stay in the middle, show him you're here to fight. Come on. Yes! Go the two behind it, like that, boy! Eso, Nico! Eso, Nico! Curveball right away! Get close! Curveball right away, boy, get close! Follow with the left hook! Let's go! Hey, straight two down the middle! Again! Good shot! 2, 3, mátalo! Alright, he's gonna run it to the left! Curveball! Eso, Nico! Uppers Curveball now! Left hook! Work with your lead hand! Back to the jab! Jump jab! Eso! Work where you go! Free hand! Get it strong, boy! He's tired, boy! He's tired! Upper! Eso, boy! Hey, finish strong, boy! I'd like to thank our banner sponsors, CR Roofing, Southside Lock and Key Grant Associates, BB's Bakery is Magic D1, DJ Magic One. And I was talking to one of our longtime banner sponsors, DR Roofing. You'll see they have a banner over here, and one of them has a little small picture. The banner's on the south side of the arena. I was talking to the owner, Terry Ryan, and he was a boxer here from 85 to 87. Well, that small picture is the namesake of the company. DR stands for Doyle Reigns. And that's Doyle when in 1967 when he was the flyweight state champion. So give a round of applause to all of our banner sponsors. Well, Doyle, boy, you gotta finish. Follow through to the body. Hey! That's so good! That's so good! That's so good! Work on! Work on! Work on with your loose hand, Nico. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Curveball, boy. To the shoulder. That's all. Otra vez. Otra vez. Clean it up because it rocks down. That's all. Good job, man. Cabecea tu tira. ¡Pégale, boy! ¡Sigue pegándole en el clinch! ¡Eso, mijo! ¡Jump left hook! ¡Jump left hook! ¡Jump left hook! ¡Eso, mijo! ¡Eso, mijo! ¡Work him! Work him! Work him! Curveball! Hey! Boy, keep the straight shots going. Hold, quick, speed. That's so big. Jump left hook again. Jump left hook again. Get close. Look for it. No quiere, mijo, no quiere. Eso, mijo. Curveball. Eso, mijo. Eso. Curveball followed by the left hook. Look for the jump left. Let's go. Keep that on low, go. Quítale la mano cuando lo ponga. You gotta finish strong, boy. Come on, boy, let's finish strong. Let's finish strong. Boy. Keep that jab, boy. Keep the jab working. Curveball right away, boy. Curveball right away. That's so mijo. Work him. That's so mijo. That's how you work. Uppers. Turn it up. There you go. Good job. Curveball right away. Again. That's so mijo. Work him. Free hand. That's all. There you go. Come in with the lead. Jump left. Good. Work, boy. Turn him. Go. Hit him. Go. Press. Good, boy. Press. What are you there? Nice work, boy. Step back up. Good. Got back to the press. Right away. That's all. Work him. Yeah, boy. Curveball right away, boy. Let's go. That's it, boy. Let's go finish, boy. Hit him. Finish, boy. Finish. Go. That's it, boy. We have a split decision. And your champion Texas is out of the red corner versus Rodriguez. Brings us to bout number 5.